The BioSpace Career Fair is an opportunity for companies to capitalize on the candidates within the region.
I'm looking for a job, so I thought this is the best place to go if you're looking for a biotech kind of job.
I always feel like we'll hire at least a handful of candidates from this particular event, if not more.
Are you flexible to work into the Cambridge, Boston area?
Oh yeah. You can actually come to this job fair to get to know what is out there as far as the biotech and pharmaceutical and the service industry.
I think that this particular event draws a lot of scientists, a lot of PhDs.
We're looking across the board from everything from research scientists to product managers, marketing professionals.
Clinical is always an area that we're trying to get into more, especially any regulatory folks.
So I know that at a minimum we're going to find that entry-level research associate up to the PhD.
Having so many companies all together in a single room, that's great. We've got close to 40 companies here. We had 1,300 pre-registered candidates for this event. It's huge.
Most of the time you have to navigate web pages and just look at faceless pages and not knowing anybody, putting your application in blindly, and having all these companies you can just walk to and actually meet people face to face and be able to connect and hand out resumes and meet is obviously much better than anything else that you can do to try to get jobs.
I'm actually able to speak to someone and tell them about my interests and not just words on a paper that are supposed to describe me, so they can see my enthusiasm, they can see what I'm really interested in, and give me a recommendation and tell me who I can talk to from there.
Usually when you go out looking for a job and you contact people one by one, and it can be pretty aggravating trying to find a job that way, but when you get everybody together, you can go one after another and really get a lot accomplished in a short period of time.
It's a little bit of the guessing and a little bit of the waiting game if you submit a resume. So it actually gets a good feel for the employer too.
We have a career interview room that's set up next door so companies can take the candidates that they've met face to face and take the interview to the next level. So it really does cut down on the hiring process, which is costly and timely.
I think it's a great event. I was expecting to be here for only like a couple of hours, but it looks like I can be here all night and still miss some companies.